Hey panel, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix a common issue. This plugin has not tested with latest 3 major release of WordPress, and it may no longer maintain or supported and may have compatible issue when used with more recent version of WordPress. So how to resolve Readme txt error that may affect your plugin performance on the WordPress repository. So first we discuss why this is important. Many times new people do not trust your plugin. If it is on add-on dashboard, then people do not trust on your plugin. And second is, if not tested, then can be break your site. And third is, maybe maybe support available or not by a author, so people do not download add-on from org site, this type of plugin from org site. So now let's jump to the screen and uh, now we divide this process into 5 steps. And first step is download plugin by SBN. So go to development and go to SBN repository and copy, right click and copy link address. Now we go to our folder and open in terminal, and now put means we will do checkout, SVN checkout, and that SVN repository URL. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Now it is downloading and checkout is done, and now we will access. Now it create trunk tag and access. So we have to, now first step is done, and now go to second step, change in readme.txt. So open trunk and at here open, and at here require at least 5 testing up to 6.2. So change to 6. Latest version 6.7.2, change to second latest version. And stable tag, if you want to change then you can, otherwise it is not required. And at here put some description, short description, because nowadays these add-on nowadays plugin review team also giving this error, short description required. So put some short description. So like So one more thing, now I added I generated short description, and now adding short description, and it must be after meta tag. So like after license URL, give one hit and again hit, so that it will be separate via blank line. So it is short description, and if we do not put this short description, then after submit, as after commit, it will give error. So remember this. And our second step is done. Now now check with latest version, it is also very important. So now I am checking with latest version. So that our site will not be break, etc., all thing. Now like 6.8 is available, so we can put, first we update it. Okay, it takes some time, so pausing it. Now 6.8 is updated. Now go to plugin section and click on add new, and check download your plugin from org. So search upload media, multiple media via API, like I am doing this, so you can also do same thing. Okay, not getting, no issue. I am downloading from here, and now uploading. Activate. Now plugin is activate, so there is no conflict, etc., so it is tested. Now we can add 6.8 in the our readme txt file. Okay, our third step is done. Now fourth step is create a version folder in tag. So so fourth step, create version folder in tag. So svn copy trunk, and at here it will be version if required, and like if I change stable version, etc., at here, then it is required. If not, then it is not required. Like I am changing to 1.3 or 1.4, like I am changing to 1.4 version, stable version, and also then I have to create new tag with 1.4. So like, and also change inside inside add-on file, like version is 1.1, so change 1.4, and now done. And now create a tag. So at here svn copy trunk tag 1.4. So first at here go to your plugin, change directory, upload. Now it is seeing some changes occurred. So first do svn copy trunk tags 1.4. Now tag 1.4 is created, and you can also check inside tags 1.4 and it is there. Okay, now in step 5 commit your changes. So svn add minus ports and asterisk, and then add some with some message like updated release version 1.4 with fix readme text and check up to 6.8 version. And you can also use CI or you can also use commit. Both are same. Now commit etc is done, and our file is transferred to 1.4, and now we will check at here. First I am taking a screenshot so that I can use this. Now check in another tab. Now it is fixed, there is no issue and all thing is, and it is showing version 1.4 and test it up to 6.8 and all thing is there. And let me know in comment if you are getting any issue or you want another video on, or you are facing some issue, then please comment in the below in the below chat. And my goal is to hit 2000 subscriber, and your support means the world to me. So if you are found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching.